In an age where nostalgia captures hearts, vintage toy repair offers unique earning opportunities. Retirees, along with single mothers and the disabled, are reviving this art to create a business right from home. With online platforms like YouTube, they showcase their intricate repair skills, offering tutorials and sharing stories behind each toy. These tales of restoration not only draw in viewers, but potential clients, boosting their income. Through social media, they connect with audiences who cherish memories of the past, proving that every toy has a story worth retelling.